Ho ho ho, y'all. This is Chris with OneSupport.com, and this is our third day of our 12 days of giveaways. Today I have a travel electronics organizer by Topbooc. Now you may recall this video in which I reviewed another travel organizer by Jellycomb, and I've actually been using that organizer for almost a year now. And you can see I'm still using it. This one is actually similar in size to the Jellycomb one, so I figured it'd be good to review it and actually compare it to the Jellycomb one. This is the large electronics travel organizer by Topbooc, and we picked it up on Amazon for $13, and I'm going to have that link down in the description below. But also to put that into reference, this is the medium electronics organizer by Jellycomb. So we're going to kind of compare the two and see how they size up. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, so similar to the one that we reviewed back in July, you do have two different sets of zippers here. So it is kind of divided in half. Let's open it up, take a look at it. So up here at the top, you're going to have 7 different areas for cables or adapters. You do have these straps here to strap things down, and the mesh pockets here to put things in as well. And then down here on the bottom side, you have all of these pockets here. You have a zipper pocket here. And you have more straps to secure cables and such. Let's go ahead and flip it open and check out the other side. Alright, so here on this side, you're going to have 2 different mesh pockets. One kind of small one right here, and one really large one over here on this side. It does come with a little strap. And over here on this side, you have 2 more pockets that are about the same size. You can fit things in here, and then you have a big pocket in here to stuff things in. Also on the back of this electronics organizer, you have another pocket right here. So that's pretty cool. The outer shell is kind of like a nylon feeling, and along the inside too, you can tell that there's definitely some foam in here, and the nylon on the inside. So, you know, I don't want to say that it's waterproof, but I think, you know, if this is sitting on your desk and you spill a cup of coffee on the outside of it, you should be fine. But let's go ahead and compare it to my Jellycomb one and see if it can hold everything that my Jellycomb one holds. So I have all of my adapters over here on this side. I have a whole bunch of different lightning cables, my laptop charging cable, my SD cards, my USB hub. On the inside, I have my 2 portable hard drives, I have my Elgato capture card, and inside this pocket, I have a whole bunch of charging bricks and, you know, my power bank. Let's see if we can fit it all into the Topbooc one. Alright, so now I've got everything that was in my electronics organizer in this new electronics organizer. Let's see if I can actually get this thing to close. Alright. Well, looks like I can't get this pocket to close, which, you know, that's fine. I do have a whole lot of stuff in here, and most people probably aren't going to have the same amount of stuff that I have in mine. So I did put, everything that I had in my electronics organizer into this organizer. I was able to get this side to close. I don't think I'm going to be able to get this side to close. You know, that's probably not going to be a big deal for most people out there. I don't think very many people are going to have the same amount of stuff in their organizer as I have in mine. But it does hold a lot of stuff. Let's take a couple things out and see if we can get this thing to close. So I'm going to take out my laptop charger. I'm going to take out my power bank. And two other charging bricks. Alright, so you know, it's a tight fit, but I was actually able to get it to close, and I really didn't take that much out of it. So that is the Travel Electronics Organizer by Topbooc, and we picked this up on Amazon for $13, and I'm going to have that link down in the description for you. Also, I'm going to have a link in which you can enter to win this electronics organizer, so make sure you click on that. This would actually make a pretty good gift for anyone in your life who, you know, I don't even travel that much. I just have it in my backpack at all times because prior to getting my electronics organizer, all of the stuff was just loose in different pockets of my backpack. So if you know anyone like that that's just always carrying around a lot of electronics, cables, adapters, power banks, things like that, this would make a great gift for them. So that's all I've got for you today, our third day of giveaways. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell next to subscribe so that way you get notified for the rest of our 12 days of giveaways. And in the meantime, if you have any other questions, feel free to visit us at OneSupport.com or give one of our technology advisors a call at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.